Hi, I'm Rob from Cave Direct and I'm at the Beer Merchant's Tap, and today we're going to look at how to change a keg when it's run out. If you've been at the bar and beer's stopped coming out, you're going to run through to the cellar and it's going to look like this. There'll be no beer in the cellar, boy. So what you need to do is fill it back up again. First of all, you want to turn the gas off by pushing the lever down. We're going to uncouple the keg by lifting up the lever. Then we're going to get a new keg, lift the top off, make sure there's nothing in the well of the keg, and reconnect it. So you go over to your cellar, boy, you turn the gas on by pushing it up, hit the top button on the top to fill it up with beer, and then just make sure that the ball goes to the top by pushing this at the bottom, and then make sure you pull it back down again. That's the basics on how to change a keg when it's empty. Now we're going to look at the slight differences in couplers. So first up, we're going to look at a Sankey coupler. There's two different types, a US, which is this one. The US has a smaller dip than its UK counterpart, which has a bigger dip, but both of them connect in the same way. If you want to look at the keg as well, the US Sankey has a small raised bit, whereas the UK has a bigger indent. Both these connect in the same way by placing the coupler in, twisting and pushing down. Next up, we're going to look at the Alamas coupler, which is common in German beers such as Paulaner. These couplers slide on and then push down. When you're placing it on, it's worth noting that the sail is flush with the top, or else it will stick on the keg. So just make sure the handle's fully pulled up and then slide on and push down. Another type of coupler that's quite similar, like the US and the UK Sankey, is the Grundy and the key keg. The Grundy coupler locks on in a triangle shape and pushes down and is quite shallow, compared to the key keg coupler, which locks the same way but has a bigger thing to depress the keg. What you want to do is release the handle, pull it up and twist 45 degrees to release it, and the same to put it back on. Key kegs are slightly different. Now these are the one-way plastic kegs that you throw in the bin after use. What you need to do with these is turn the gas off first and then depressurize the keg, because this is full of your CO2. Once there's gas left in the keg, pull up the lever, twist 45 degrees, and to put it back on, you want to make sure the sail is flat so it fits onto the keg. Push it on, twist 45 degrees and push it down. And once you turn your gas back on, you'll hear it filling up with air again. And that was how you change a keg and the couplers involved in doing so. If you have any dispense issues like fobbing, why don't you check out our troubleshooting videos or contact your rep.